Hello folks, a quick review for RYOBI multi-tool. So that's the US brand made in China. Now specifically this one has 14-in-1 functions as a compact multi-tool. And the price is £22 in UK, or using exchange you can see on your screen what's the price within your area. And now that's the RYOBI. It's very popular in US, not so much in Europe. And basically taking the consideration using comparing the Bosch and DeWalt, the RYOBI is the smallest one, and as I mentioned has 14 functions, 4 functions within RYOBI. So that's the folding. It's quite small. It's up to I think 69 millimeters, so it's 2.5 inches. With the fold you can close it with your palm. It's much more smaller than the Bosch, for example. You can see how Bosch is bigger than the RYOBI. Yeah, so it's much more compact. Okay, let's see what does RYOBI. So the first function, obviously, first of all, we have a spring in here. You can see it. So it's always in an open position. The pliers, you can use it. So for example, if you want to connect some wires or something like that, obviously you can use the pliers. The second part of the pliers, that's the big one, you can just adjust if you have some big wires. And the third part, let's see, you can cut the wires. Let's see how sharp it is. No, let's cut the second part, maybe we have luck. No, it's not so sharp. So comparing to the Bosch and DeWalt, the Bosch is number one using this part of the cut of the pliers. Okay, let's see another part. So as DeWalt, every tool that the function you can use, it's outside. For example, in using Bosch, it's inside part of the multi-tool, and RYOBI and DeWalt using the outside part. So the first one, obviously we're going to see how sharp is the knife. We're going to close that's the position. The knife is open, the multi-tool is closed. Let's see how sharp the knife is. We can cut some sheet over here. Yeah, it's quite sharp. I mean, it should be. Not so. No. So the Bosch number one, DeWalt number two, and the RYOBI, I think it's the same place as DeWalt. So the knife is not so sharp as you expect to. Okay, and also you can close the knife using only one hand, like that. You don't have any safety feature like Bosch or DeWalt, so keep in mind that. Let's open up another function, the second one. I think this is the can opener and the screwdriver. You see, this is the minus SH6, VH6, and this is the bottle opener. For example, if you have this bottle, you can open, just push it and open, enjoy your summer as you expect to. So it's quite util, this function. Another function on this side of the RYOBI should be the saw. The length of the saw is around 30 mil. I mean, it's 2.25 inch, a quarter an inch, sorry. It's less than 1.5 inch. It's up to 27 mil. So it's quite small, but I think not so sharp as you expected. I'm pushing with my finger, and it's quite okay. Okay, let's see the second part of the multi-tool RYOBI. Now on this part, I'm guessing should be the scissors. There you go. You can use the scissors, are very small. They are the smaller, obviously, because the RYOBI is the smallest tool within those three, Bosch and DeWalt. Let's see how scissors are sharp. Let's cut some. Yes, okay. Yep. Yeah, they're okay. Quite sharp, I would say. Scissors quite good. Another thing on this side, where the scissor, you have a can opener. In case if you have a can, a tuner, just press it, push it, and you can open any can. This part is quite sharper than you expect to, and that's the can opener, sorry. Another part neighbor to the can opener, that's the small thing, sorry. That's one as a utility, as a knife, as a folding knife. It's quite sharp in here. You can open any metal if you want to. You can use it, yeah. And the last thing with this utility knife, that's the, I don't know, a sharpener. You can sharpen a metal, a wood, something like that. Use this nose wherever you want to. Yeah. So basically, this thing is smaller than the Bosch and DeWalt, smaller than you expect to. It's cheaper. For example, this one, 22 pounds, 23, 29. DeWalt the most expensive, Bosch number 2, and the most cheaper is the RYOBI. It's the smallest. That's thing, the black one, that's the plastic. For example, in Bosch you have rubber, plastic. DeWalt it's metal. So basically, build quality, DeWalt number 1, Bosch number 2, I would say, and RYOBI will take the 3rd place. And that's all. I mean, yeah, guys, please share your comment, share your experience. Do you have experience using this RYOBI multi-tool? What price did you get? I'll be glad to hear your comments. And cheers, bye, guys.